What's the meaning of competitively? Competitively. Competitively.
Competitively. Competitively. Competitively means in a way that involves competition or rivalry, often in terms of pricing or quality. When a company operates competitively, it strives to offer products or services that are comparable in quality and price to those of its competitors. This can involve strategies such as cost-cutting measures, aggressive marketing, and product differentiation. In the end, the goal of competitiveness is to gain an advantage over rivals and attract more customers. As such, it is a crucial element of success in many industries, particularly those that are highly saturated or heavily regulated.